Hi, it's Lee from Kyloe Partners here. Welcome back to our series on data tools. How many recruiters out there work from hot lists or tear sheets, building up lists of those grade A candidates like the one I've got in front of me in Bullhorn right here, that you know will be critical to the roles you are looking to fill? We know and we see how powerful hot lists and tear sheets are to our customers, but one common challenge with this approach can be the quality of skill coding for those candidates. Candidates in this hot list are great for me in the roles I'm working, but how does the rest of the business know this if I have just put them into my hot list and not tagged them? This is where DataTools comes in. I can tell DataTools to look at my grade A hot list, which we just viewed in Bullhorn, and then mass update all of those records with both a primary and a secondary skill to ensure that the whole business can benefit from those grade A candidates. We now jump back into Bullhorn. I can see my candidates have got the new updated skills. So if you want to know more about how DataTools can ensure visibility of your candidates across your business, then get in touch with Kyloe.